Oh, I woke up feeling like I was on the moon. I woke up feeling like I need 100 gold. Look at the flick of that wrist. 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 I woke up feeling like I was.
Yo. Lucky me, shit. Alright. Where you going? Where you going?
See beautiful.
See no beautiful.
She's beautiful.
Yeah. And if crab. Alright. Focus. I don't know. You like this number. I don't think I want chicken or I want burger.
You serious? Then we're gonna get that now.
Is that no, the tank? The tank.
No. That should.
No, I don't think so.
Festival. What do you want? I want. Ford Festival. Yeah. Burger King is nearby? No, the Burger King. St. Anne's Street.
It's really great. St. Anne's is the closest.
St. Anne's Street.
In the town.
Oh, your card machine working, eh?
Damn, the town in my Reeboks. Damn, son. Check this shit out, bro.
At the same time, have you ever had two bitches in your car? Running plays on these niggas like a point guard. I was only 15 when I caught a play. I was up at Lennox Mall, I was in the A. Tell the waiter, bring the bands this away. I was with your bitch eating crab cakes. Catching plays, Super game, LeBron James, that's NBA.
Catching plays, catching plays. Oh, I woke up feeling like I was on the moon.
Sizing down. You have to sizing down a little bit, but I really burst sometimes. You can't bother the one for bone again, and that match I avoid.
Want the leg on side?
Eh?
Leg on side.
Yeah. No man, burst on time man, just that no man.
No man, remember say breast and entire two different parts of chicken that
Alright. Breast and whatever. Camera man, posting up.
Oh.
YouTube, man, and nothing.
Oh.
Sky keep on falling.
Yeah, come on.
No, man.
Cheers, boy.
Had 2 bitches in your car. Running play on these niggas like a point guard. I was only 15 when I caught a play. I was up at Lennox Mall. I was in the A. Tell the waiter, bring the bed this way. I was with your bitch eating crab cakes. Catching play. Super game. LeBron James. That's NBA.
Catching play. Catching play.
So, yeah. Now, heading out. Yeah. Got that heading out right now, like, you know? No, this looks awkward and shit, but. Shit. Excited.
Look at that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist.
Come on, boy.